Why do Christians worship on Sunday instead of Saturday? Did Christians change God's command? In the Old Testament, the Sabbath was on Saturday, a day of rest commanded by God. But after Jesus Christ rose from the dead on the first day of the week, Sunday, the early Christians began gathering on that day to worship Him. Matthew 28:1 says, "After the Sabbath, at dawn on the first day of the week, Jesus had risen." Acts 27 says, "On the first day of the week we came together to break bread." And in 1 Corinthians 16:2, Paul instructed believers, "On the first day of every week, each one of you should set aside a sum of money." Sunday became known as the Lord's Day, as written in Revelation 1:10. Christians worship on Sunday not because God failed, but because Jesus fulfilled the law and conquered death through His resurrection. The Sabbath pointed to rest, but Jesus said in Matthew 11:28, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." Saturday remembers creation, but Sunday celebrates the risen Savior. That's why Christians gather on Sunday, because Jesus is alive.